welcome back. Is this beginning or ending?
When we go blazing, you and me lost days get faded. Solar eclipse shining out your mind, it leave me waiting to you.
You look so beautiful. Of course I'm here. What do you mean? What?
So, let me tell you.
Okay.
It's under Ella 4 years.
4 years.
4 years. And like, we've been saying for a year, you're gonna come to my MD, you're gonna come to my MD.
We've been talking about
When
it.
she got here,
Planning. Dude, and I met you when you were like, what, in grade 8? It's been like your whole high school career.
It really has, but like we've spoken, I've always gotten you up.
We always keep updated.
Exactly.
So it's like, you look so gorgeous. I'm so proud of you. Like, you're in matric now. Next year you're gonna be in varsity. Like, I'm so happy for you, honestly.
And I got you by my side.
Period.
Guys, accept YouTube videos soon. YouTube
Please.
videos.
Like, when are you coming back to YouTube? There was a time you were consistent.
There really was, but look at me now. Look at me now.
And guys, crazy thing, right? People are always saying that we look alike. Like,
What do you guys think?
Even her family. Okay,
Yeah.
obviously she got a full face beyond like professional.
I had to do it, you know.
But everyone keeps saying that we look alike.
Especially when she got here, my sister was like, you guys look alike.
Her old sister. This is my sister, you understand? There's a lot going on, to be honest. For me, actually, like, I don't know. You guys see the background? It's a lot. It's a lot. So yeah, please tell them, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We see.
Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the phone, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
Hey angels, so I am finally back at the Airbnb. I am so tired. Like, I don't know if you guys can feel my tiredness through the screen, but I am exhausted. Gym in the morning, driving halfway across the country and back. I am exhausted. I'm literally done. Like, you're done. Today drained me. It's 8:15 in the evening and I still want to make dinner. My boyfriend's coming over. I wanted to make dinner for him, but right now I'm just like, oh, can I even do it? And I check out of this place tomorrow, so I wanted him to come over and, you know, make some dinner for him. But I don't know, like, I'm so tired. Honestly, I just want to get in my jammies, take off this makeup and chill. But I'm gonna make the dinner. Oh my gosh, guys, the MD celebration. It was so cute, guys. It was honestly so cute. Like, she had her friends and family there. She stays near my high school, right? So when I was like kind of seeing my high school as I was driving, I just got so emotional. Like, guys, my high school experience was like the best ever. Like, I get so emotional. Like, even the time when I went there after graduating from high school, I just started bawling my eyes out because I was like, you guys don't understand how big of a role you guys played in my journey. Like, my high school is such a big part of my story, and I always talk about this, I always say this, and like, they really nurtured the talent that I have. They've really honed in on the person that I want to be. So like, they're A1 for me. So I get so emotional and I can't wait for our 10-year reunion. I hope we have a 5-year reunion though, because I'm trying to go back ASAP. Back to the MD celebration. I met some of her cousins, some of her family members, some of her friends. It was really dope because I was just socializing with everybody, which is why I ended up leaving so late, because I ended up leaving at like 7:15 and she had left for MD at like 6, so I stayed like an extra 45 minutes. Not too bad. So yeah, thank you so much for inviting me, Annie. I really appreciate her like wanting me there. We've grown really close over the years, and because we used to stay in the same estate, I used to hang out at her house a lot, like, and we've still kept in touch. Like, we'll have catch-up phone calls and just like talk about life. So it was really nice to be back there and us reconnecting. Hopefully she moves to Joburg next year so we can see each other more often. But I'm so proud of the young woman that she has become. She looked absolutely stunning, and I know she's gonna see this vlog. So I love you so much, Annie. Bye angels. I will catch you tomorrow. Bye.
I be so sick, you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself, can you come and fuck me? I feel so ordinary, so make it one round me. Treat me like all the right, wear me out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no steady with you, you know you my plug, and I can't shake this habit, no. I've been out, baby, every reminiscing, every on the missing.
Good morning. So today is Sunday, the last day of being here at the Airbnb. I've packed up everything. I've cleaned up the Airbnb, made sure it looks as good as it looked when I arrived, because I'm just that type of person. Literally last night, guys, I passed out. Like, I was so tired. I ended up cooking. I cooked, my boyfriend came over, and I was just done. Like, I genuinely could not. I was tired. Gym killed me. My body is in so much pain right now, and yeah, I'm still supposed to go host today at 5 p.m. I don't even know what's happening with that, to be honest. I had such an amazing stay, guys. Honestly, the content that I got out of it, like, I just felt so productive. And I actually do feel like I've returned to self. Because I know I've been saying, guys, I said this was me rejuvenating and getting back to me, but I'm working the whole time. But like, this doesn't feel like work. Like, I've really enjoyed vlogging. I've enjoyed creating content for TikTok. I'm just like, girls in her content bag. I want my content Zoom. This is officially the end of this vlog, since we're also wrapping up here at the Airbnb. I really hope you guys enjoyed spending the weekend with me. I really hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did, please give me a huge thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and share this series if you can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.